Hi guys, I'm making this bed here for my niece. It's an A-frame style bed. I'll be showing you guys how to properly attach this brace in this corner, 45 degree, 45 degree. To do this I'll be using 2 screws and plenty of glue. The screws will be going down from the top and from the side. They'll be countersunk in halfway through the beams, but in this case halfway is 20mm. I'll then be plugging the holes with dowels so you can't see any hardware and it'll leave a really nice finish. So firstly I'm going to clamp this in place. And just lightly for now, and then with the ruler, so we're going to measure, so that's about 100mm. That is also 100mm. I'm going to approximately mark where I want the screws to go down. I can do this by eye because it's custom. And about there's good. Take my square and I'll mark just at the top there. Halfway, center punch, .3mm drill bit. Good. On this auger bit, I've just put a bit of tape on it, 20mm up, so that will ensure it only goes 20mm into the wood. You want to take it nice and slow with these bits to get a clean cut. Then you can speed up a bit. As you can see here, I've just done the exact same thing to this side. Now what you want to do is get your screw in there, screw it in until you feel resistance, and then I like to use the old school screwdriver to tighten it, and that's tight there. Cool. So they're nice and snug, those two, and then I'll unscrew it, leave it like that. Unscrew this one, leave it in there like that. Then I can take my clamps off. And now I'm just going to cut my dowel plugs. I'm going to cut each one at 30mm, which is a little bit longer than I need, which is just fine.